Okay. We're going to start the homework. You better keep up. I'm here after school. Why is this not clear? Okay. Number one. This we did for a warm-up. You need to figure out, what do I need to multiply 25 by in order to get 100? You could think of quarters if you need to think of quarters because they're worth 25 cents. How many quarters do you need to get to $1? Over here, this is the same as yesterday, except this has been changed. So you have 7/8. Remember, there's a special factor. 125. 8 can't go into 10. 8 can't go into 100, but 8 can go into 1,000 125 times. So whatever you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. Then you'll get your answer. So you'll have 23 point something. Here, you have to read the question. How much faster is Terrence than Robert in the 100-meter dash? Because it's comparing two things, you are going to subtract. The bigger number goes on top. You need to figure out what this decimal is. You set your H chart up. 20 times something equals 100. You figure it out and you'll be able to get your decimal and subtract. We did this one in class, 4/7. Remember the dividing? You can watch the video on 924. It has the YouTube link. This is from my blog on 924. I posted it, and he can teach you how to divide. There's some other links on my blogs. I think last Friday I posted one on division, or you can search YouTube on your own for division. You have a decimal, 2 zeros, and then you can divide from there. Here, you need to go through and prove that if these are equal or not. 8/10 is 4/5, the same as 8/10. I don't know. Let me convert it to tenths and see. Is 3/8 the same as 375 thousandths? I don't know. Let me convert it and see. That's times 125. Same thing here. 200. Well, that's special. Can't go into 10. Can't go into 1,000. I'm sorry. Can't go into 100. Gotta be 1,000. You figure out all these other things and see which one is not equivalent. Next, how much further is the zoo than the camping site? Well, once again, you're comparing two things. So you need to subtract. After finding the value, convert to a fraction and simplify. Okay, the way you convert to a fraction, this is an example, is all you got to do is read it. That's 4/10, so that's 4/10. Simplifying means you're making the number smaller. So that would be 2/5. This is an example. This is not the answer. It's an example. It's not the answer. Flip it over here. Exponent. This is not 15. Your brain wants to tell you it's 15. It's 5 times 5 times 5. And then you figure out 5 times 5 is not 10. Remember that. Here, be careful here. I already wrote this for you. Alright, you got division here. Here's your parentheses, addition, subtraction. Okay, so you have P, E, D, A, S, and then another S. Alright, so then that's the order you're going. Here, this is just multiplication. You can round or you can actually multiply. You don't need my help on that one. Factor tree, you got to be careful on the factor tree because it's an even number. This number looks big, but you just break it down. It's even. So you can divide it by 2. Go off to the side. Divide it by 2. And so 2 times something is 1512. And then you keep breaking it down. And I need you to write it in exponent form. This is, what is that? Least common multiple. We did a problem like this. You got 15 and 12. Keep buying. It's like the hot dogs. And keep buying until they come out the same number. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You have to figure that out. This one is greatest common factor. So you need to T-chart these. You can T-chart those. Or if I taught your class how to use the factor tree, then you can use the factor tree. And that is all, folks. Come with your homework done tomorrow, and we'll see which team is the winning team. Thank you.